And speaking of more,
you just get more at Sunset Ford.
Sunset Ford of Sumner has more Ford F-150 trucks than they know what to do with. Trust me, there's no inventory shortage at Sunset Ford. New F-150s and pre-owned F-150s, XLs, XLT, Roush, regular box, long box, extended cab, four-wheel drive, two-wheel drive, in every color and trim package you can imagine. You name it and Sunset Ford has it, and if they don't, they'll get it within 72 hours. And every qualifying new and used Ford includes warranty protection for life and oil changes for life, saving you thousands down the road. In spite of what other dealers might be advertising, prices are all about the same. All Ford dealers pay the same for vehicles, so it's not what you're paying, it's what you're getting that sets Sunset apart. Sunset Ford of Sumner, just down the hill from Bonney Lake and Highway 410.
You just get more at Sunset Ford.
And people do like that.